morning. It is kind of windy out here, so I just thought I'd bring you along. I'm gonna harvest all of the tomatoes that are on my plants, and then the back tomatoes here I'm gonna bring out. And the reason why I'm gonna do that is we're getting chilly, and it's just time to harvest everything and make sure that we get our harvest in before the frost comes in and ruins everything. So I will even harvest the green stuff, and I will show you guys how to ripen those. So let's get to it. Oh, and we're gonna harvest some other food too. Since the hurricane went through the property, a lot of our tomatoes are like this, where they just have big, huge cracks in them. And so that is still edible and still makes a good sauce tomato. So we'll just keep them for sauce. When they're like that is the birds get them. Now these smaller tomatoes, actually this size, I should have left that on. Anything that's not too size, I'm going to go ahead and leave on and chance it with those ones. But if they're at size, then I'm going to go ahead and pull them, because I don't want to risk them. Yeah, look at that. That's unfortunate, but it will still get nice and red and inside and still make a good sauce tomato for us. You don't want to lose tomatoes like that, and I can ripen that inside, so. The chance it with some of them, because when they're small, like these, and very green, it's harder to ripen them. But maybe I'll have to try some fried green tomatoes. Or we can make green tomato salsa, which is very yummy too. Okay, Ugh, the tomatoes are just endless. Endless. Okay. My batch of color chasing little diced tomatoes, and they ate most of them. And then I have my very cracked tomatoes here that will go to sauce. Now, the nice thing about this, if this green tomato turns nice and red, it doesn't have to go to sauce. It can be a nice slicing tomato for us still. But I need to make some sauce, so either I make some fried green tomatoes with them and leave them as they are, make some green salsa, or we ripen them up. I'm going to try ripening them up because we need sauce more than anything. And so this is the green beans that we got, a nice big amount there, and then our cucumbers, and then shortly behind that, so next month we start planting. I got a lot of brassicas out there. I have broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage, and so when those will start to come together soon. And then in early November we're going to start planting our garlic, and that's from our garlic last year, so we had good success planting those last year. And then next month, December, I'm gonna start some onions by seed. So look forward to those videos, and I gotta deal with all this. We're just gonna put a nice towel over this, maybe two, and we'll put it in a dark place so that they can develop and change, and then we can make them into sauce. So look forward to those videos. God bless you guys, and we'll see you next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead. Bye.